I've been away from you guys for quite some time, But you know me already. I'm always trying my best to find something constructive to do. Yeah man, and school finish. And even though I'm not up and about and I drive yet, or I drive none at all, I always tell myself, say, I have to do some farming. Yeah man, I always do it on a small scale. Yeah, so I say, upgrade and see what I can do. Yeah man, so I'm gonna show you all what's really popping. So go on, Eagles, go look what go on, man. Yeah man, we perform a nice amount of work, trust me. Wow. The adrenaline high. Yeah man, not like the yard and knowing say you put in some hard work, Yeah man. Days work and you finish and you run back home, Yo, love yard man. Jamaica yard life up and about from early. Yeah man. Know me already. The iron guys, Yeah man. Ugly man run a corner there. Say him come give me a strength, Yeah man, so stick around man. Morning just like get up, get about and do the right thing. I remember walk with the most time man. Every time. On the go, still on the go, yeah man. I'm a boss there, So bless you man. Ugly man, we are on a corner. Bless up, dada. Yeah man, you know energy go. Yeah, today now. Yeah man, and today we are putting the work. Day one, a minute to come. It's a blessing. And boy, I want a guard from with you, And I said, Dylan, I want tag. And you're supposed to then catch what here. Not supposed to. And big one. Raise him. Upper pan. Which part? Upper pan? Upper use. Proper me general, can't get no fresh on that. Yeah man, really hard life, we open about. Yeah man. I'm out down a river there, so you might get in face wash it. Proper. Yeah man, we open about this man in the countryside, Yeah man, we are going to use go. Put in some work. Yeah man, as I tell you from before, stick close to nature. Which park you there? On the level? 6 bills a bag and open. And open, Maki. If a 6 bills a bag, if you carry a factory in a bed, man. G?
15. It's a big. I can pick it up also.
Yeah. Not a bad business at all. Which bar? The big fig tree there. Yeah man, go on the road. Man, rough for me, brother. Done beard. Family, blessings, man. Crime, you know. Good shit. Yo. Proper, man. This is hard, you know. Really hard life. If you don't have one of them young in your country, you don't say nothing. Trust me. Yo. Proper, man. Yeah, man. Really hard life. Open about it. Solid.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Yeah, today, you know. Today we open about. Yeah, man. I touch heels. Put in some work as I tell you from before. Yeah, man. So, no man, always I show you all around. So, come on, yard. Show you all what's popping. Yeah, man. It's a blessing. True blessing.
I'm a boss out here.
Yeah, man. We challenge, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, like.
Yeah, we are do this song. Tender age, you know what thing,
Yeah, man. I love music.
Yeah, I love music and everything, I don't know.
Yeah, man.
You know that's the same, yeah.
If you have an extra talent.
Yeah.
Second talent, because we have more than one.
Yeah, must.
An extra one.
Yeah, no, do.
It's a good look.
Yeah, but from small, you know, I love farming still, but can't stick to one thing. I have to have more than one.
Yeah,
see?
Man, if you don't farm, you know, you do look at construction.
Yeah.
You see me? Something positive, most naturally, bro.
Yes, I.
Yeah, man.
No one thing.
The road kind of narrow, so. You know, weird when I walk.
Yeah, see, ne?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So all I do is, all of y'all in the comment section, just type tired for me now.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
We chatting from our miles. Yeah.
Yeah, man, what I say go.
Yeah.
Go for that boat.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so you all people can check for me. Check and make my channel, you know. I'm a boss music. I have some new music coming soon still, you know.
Yeah, man.
No fret, don't worry. But for now, just go on the right thing and chat, you know.
Yeah, man. Open that boat.
Yes, man.
Very proud of you.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, man, I reach, destination. You know, me cloak up already. I eat the grass. Most naturally, I'm over there. Tap in by Insta.
One thing right now,
Yeah,
we
man.
work, we have to check out what going on the internet, you know?
Blessings, man.
Yeah.
Right now, Gary, I want to say, what did you say about this week? Mama! You're take it, Gary. Oh, God. See if we can clear out a spot around a corner, Yeah, man. Just stick around, man. Show y'all what going. Get it clean like 1, 2, 3. Nah, can't do it so fast. You have to take it one step at a time. Rex a rest. Yeah, man, but this is yard, Real yard life. I'm up and about today giving thanks to life. Up and about and I do the right thing. Daily. Eh? You think a piece of grass piece? Eh? You see, but grass they run on the right side, the left side, Right. Grass they run on the right side. And Gary there shell down the work. You want to clean up the hillside, Plant some carrot on the block, Oh, yeah? Eat some time, man. Nothing like yard, Show you all around. Put in the work. So when you're done, you see what's popping. Work just begin. Really hard life. I burn out a duck's nest, so. Yes, man. Whew. Hill steep. Yeah, man, Lord. Soon see what I go. Yeah, man, we run a corner the way I come from, No energy go. Yo, time to come. Whole heap of food up on the farm, man, but just they are clean, Yeah, man. I'm a boss run a corner there. Gary round there, so I chop out the bamboo. It's a blessing, man. Real blessing, Time to come there, all of this are gonna be carrot. See bush? Now make it disappear now. Few. Woo! Nothing like the countryside, trust me. Yeah, man. You know me already always up and about I do the man. Yeah, man. I mean, I invest in some carrot. Yeah, man. We have to find something though. I'm gonna find somebody to stay in our shop. Yeah, man, so. There, bush. Rough up the farm, Yeah, man. Gary around the corner there. I'm a boss, step hard at it. Yeah, man. But ah, boy, easy. They see boy video. Yeah, do they though. Yeah, man. They are put in the work, Yeah, man. Most naturally, the youngsters, they want to eat. They have to get up and get about and do the right thing. Yeah, man. It's a blessing, man. We're up on a boat today. Plan say, yo, I saw some carrot. So this is a part 1 and part 1, 2. This is the fresh episode. Yeah, man. Time to come here and see exactly what I go on. We just have to prepare the farm for the seed then. Yeah, man, I drop some carrot seed. Trust me. So you have someone said and call yourself a farmer. Hold on. Hold that thought. The old man, the mouth kind of dry. Yeah, man, if you have Somerset and you know farm carrot, you don't come from Somerset. You don't come from planet Earth.
None of that.
Yeah, man, but me I do much. You see it? You just come here, a whole heap of fruits and vegetables in the future. Not weed. Yeah, man, don't get the thing twisted. When I time for weed, I time for weed like you know. No other weed.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Food we have planned for the family and friends, Yeah, man. Straighten up your eyesight. And a whole lot more coming. Yeah, man. Give you all a preview of the pig hunting. Yeah, man. Trust me. Primitive lifestyle. A whole lot more coming in. I wish I could have just take everything and just show girl right now. Just say, yo, see the hillside there. Yeah, man, but that's how it go. We have to live, man. One love, one heart. Blessings. Every time.
Yes,
Hey, man,
sir.
they are work, you know. Look back at me, man. I'm a shell of the place. Yeah, man. Bush there. It's a blessing. Yeah, man, but... come on, yard, man. Guy there, we run a corner. Yeah, man. Clean up, you know. One guy I put in the work, man. Craft away. And it's another farm that behind Gary. Yeah, man, but a vernal farm most naturally. Yeah, man, so I have the whole of this to clean up quick and fast, you know. Not depend on yesterday, but I take it one step at a time. Yeah, man, pretty up the hillside. Whole heap of fruits and vegetables. Eat sometime, man. Nothing like finding something constructive to do. Yeah, man, plant some food, you know. Enough youths out there have land. Now exercise them talent. And you have someone who have nothing. Still I make something out of nothing, so we have to do what we have to do. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I do a whole rest, you know. Take a 5, most naturally. I'm a boss around a corner there. Yeah, man, I easy back.
Fully.
Gary the way down deal down there, so.
You can't even see.
Yeah, man, you can't even see him, you know. But I put it in the work. See him way. The man Bernal for the lunch, you know. I tell you, it's a blessing, man. Out there in the countryside, just take it easy. Put in some work, you know. Plant some carrot. Pretty up the place. Yeah, man. You have to prepare something. Family members and friends. Yeah, man. Nothing like yard life, you know. Yo. Let me see if I can show no one I go and I'm over to stay and watch yard life.
Yes, sir. I don't know if I'm not joking, man. But yeah. I do that. Ugly man.
Kick the bucket. Yeah, that's it, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, but a special shout out to Ajay, man. They are bush a shell long some of the fowl no, bro, God. Yeah, man. Not like when you get up, get about, and do the right thing, most naturally. Yeah, man, so lunchtime. Come my yard, come eat some rice and peas and chicken. Yeah, man. And see the peas tree them behind me there, as you can see. Oh, man. Not like country, man. Some good old sugar cane. Yeah, man. I'm a boss. It's a guy around the corner. Make you see general problem. Yeah, man. Carrot for stone dog. You know what that? Turn it. Yeah, man.
Spray already, I pick your picture.
See cabbage and all type of yeah there. On the farm, you know? Yeah, man. A vernal ground this. And trust me. Beautiful.
See general there?
Yeah, man. That is the corner. Yeah, man. It's a blessing, man. Real blessing.
I may look over there, where see if I go over them tiny. My son go to go class here. And me make out one white for around. So me call brother. And I say, boy, my son go to go class here, so. So me out check out.
If he in like.
And me turn up the hill and catch the road. And when me look behind me, me no see me there. And me have to start run. By the time I reach from one flat, what part you see that red wash with there.
Yeah.
Me the dog a wheel a goat so. I come down from the ridge so.
Yeah.
And when me run and come down in a gully and come up right at the front red wash here, you know, when me look at the two ram, you see, start up in there, the dog get way down here so on the wild goat then.
Yeah.
And me hook them in. And then come up back and Buddha come over. Me go try to cast them in the wash there and them broke out and turn up the hill and me took the dog from them. They take the white one. And the brown one. Gone.
Take for himself.
Me and Buddha did and look. The brown one they way back over the side then. The Buddha say, boy, the way the place bad. Hard. You know, come back that side, I'm saying, right. Take the goat and follow the road. Come straight down and come right down out part way, then work down out there, so.
Yeah.
And come to come on the other side. Then I go down and see all Mike. Maybe there fast and Mike. Ask him how he get. Then go, I come from with goat. And so then I go to a wild goat, a same goat. A straight and straight into it.
Okay.
So.
Right, boy,
The goat end up, me and Buddy left goat back, they go look for him and I don't find him. And me left and come over here, so come the goat then.
Yeah.
And when we take a shot, the goat come back, left and there and come over, because he don't come to me again.
So?
We just catch him and sell him.
Yeah. So you know, I run back on the work, you know, because the food second in the system. See if I can take on a piece of the grass, shell it down quick and fast. Yeah, man. Carry them still a rest, you know? Yeah, man, where you know it go? Them have find time come a yard, man. Go run a corner, you know. When I just drop them on a spot where it's not got it, you know? Hey, Vernal, the dirt soft like porridge.
Yeah, tell you, man.
Yeah. Nice one. You know, dig out 2 pieces of yam. Trust me. Beautiful, man. This is what I love with the countryside, you know. Yeah, man. Anytime you walk on my country, you never walk for nothing yet. Trust me. Always sure of something. Carrot for stone. Dog. Yeah, man. Tell you. Turnip in the ground is beautiful as ever. Yeah, man. Oof, food up for the system. Trust me, countryside beautiful, you know, man. We just love that little peacefulness about the hillside, you know. But I have work to put in, so. Yeah, man, we just chop the bamboo here. And trust me, red ants like crazy. Look at that, man. A huge nest. Yo, red ants like sun, huh? Look at that. I tickle myself. Can't see it here. Hey, red ants like sun, you know, man. Gary, you tired? The boss, man. I mean, I tell you, man. I hope there's something I go on, Gary. So you may wait for me to carry up that side, eh? So we can go for top. You know, this is all of the work we perform so far. Yeah. Tired, you know. Yeah, man, I rest, honestly. And then blister out. But so you go. Yeah, man. Them boys still left on the work, you know. Yeah, man. Oh my world, nothing like the countryside. Trust me, the place is beautiful. Got around a corner, run off the mouth. Yeah, man, you know I am that, you know. Yeah, man, whole heap of work I go on a yard, you know. Trust me. I already up at top, I take on the last stretch of grass there. Yeah, man, one day work is, you know. Trust me. One day out of work, take down the whole hillside. Yo, whole heap of work I put in so far, then. Trust me. Yeah, man, you know me already, I have to walk with my destroyer, you know, because trust me, mosquito them no normal. Yeah, man, so. Can't manage the boy it up, you know. You know the energy go. It's a blessing, man. Time to come and be a carrot there, yard. Be a, whether I say carrot, gungo peas, turnip, yeah, man, red peas. Give it some time, man. This is hard, you know, really hard life. Get up, get about, and do the right thing. Yeah, man, and remember, like, share, and subscribe. Yes, man. It really helps the channel. Trust me. Yeah, man, and invite a friend of or a family a yard. Show you that real Jamaican yard life, you know? Not like yard. Take one phone late, man. Would you mind in circle back?
Okay, circle back in the turn. When you hear them again, man, just stick out the phone.
Yeah, man, we catch them, yes. Enough of them, you know, they might circle back, you know. Yeah.
Be ready, Logan. What? Be ready.
Jamaican parrot, you know. Yo, them enough. Yeah, man, Gary the right, yeah, so. We're up on the work, see you, you know. Yeah, man, we done more side so far. Yeah, man, place clean like a whistle.
You know, these are me know what?
Yo.
Ian. Ian, Alan. Oh, that road, that's all. Yeah, man, what is there? Yeah, yeah. Boy, guy down here. I got him look that boy, I went down. I say, oh boy, shut up on the guy. Let me tell you something, you see. Enter your door with me there. You don't see that around him. What we gonna get him walk and just walk today? No one made it.
Gary, you publish it to him and I touch that going. This one is easy. When me do another snag yourself, not to black all the man. Tough a big stone nice side now, you will lift we forgot if you carry dog. One day what I work, you know. Blessings in our countryside, man. Shell along the water it. Partially done.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Well, but still, this is about 6:30 we're supposed to start meeting.
Yeah. Yeah, man, Vernal.
Then 7:30 we're supposed
Come give you a strength. Yeah. Man. Barber file there. Yeah, man, done the work. Solid. Yeah, man, blessings, bro, God. Down that side, I forward there now. Yeah, man, work done for today now. Most naturally see sun has set over the hilltop. Yeah, man, Gary down a corner there, so. Running in our guy yard. Yeah, man, it's a blessing, man. Real blessing, you know. A stick around, man. As I tell you from before, a whole lot more coming. This is just a tip of the iceberg. No, no bag juice right now. Drink my water. Baba have it. Yeah, man, whole heap of gungo tree, you know. Food your country enough. Trust me, nothing like yard, you know. We're not cut out the cane them.
Can't find them. Didn't see one of them.
Chop off the blood clot now.
Find good yam, man.
Eh?
Yo, no.
Yeah, man, the yam solid, man.
I bet you a bumbo clot touch me.
Hey, no play with the cut tool, you know.
Blood clot again.
Watch, let me see guava. That guava you look fat, no, man. Wait there.
Chop up your pussy.
Chill, yeah. What type of guava this, Verna? Yo.
Watch your back from the spot in it, you gotta get it.
Pretty.
Just so me have to do with the food, you know. Hold this. Hold this.
See, I eat again, Bob.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Take down the bag and share out to your one, man.
Yes, sir. Try food there, I eat it. Guys, what's that? Is it dirty?
Food in there, man.
Remember?
You see me, the yam, man. Yeah, ground there.
Yeah, come on.
Food still in a cookie jar. Feel like me I eat something, but I not eat it. I just want to make it stay till me. I go down. Gary, you want food? Oh, where the bongo trade? But it's easy. This man stand up on a corner, man. Come get a plate of food, man. See, Joe? You're my joke, man.
A joke.
I don't know already. I don't eat much, you know. Yeah, man. Just 6 dumplings and Probably 2 more from that, and 2 more from that, and
Yeah.
probably 2 more. But me ain't no.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That eating something, the wipe on it. Good old rice and peas. Yeah, man. Gungo peas too, you know, man. Cheese and pea. Food, no fire. Yo. It's a blessing, man. Real blessing. Can't stop saying it's a blessing. Yo. Yeah, man. DJ sort out for him set. Yeah, man. You know what they call it? Second feast. Yeah, man. I show them around the farm. Yo. Yo, I know Vernal is a man who plant every little thing like myself. Well, in far, him farm bigger than mine, you know. By far, yeah, man. True blessing. Yo. You know, you have to learn from your elders, you know. Take heed. Yeah, man. See there? Yo. Carrot, too much I had. As me tell you, if he's a Somerset citizen, or a citizen of Somerset, and you know, plant carrot, you know, I say nothing. Yeah, man, so this is what yard is like, you know. You know, me ever keep it natural. Yeah, man. Alright. See, I'll get like him a feast already. And ready for move yet. Yeah, man, so finish up the work in the hills and one. I try to home, you know.
No, them where them from.
Yeah, man. Bob the on a phone call with family and friends, you know.
When?
Not like
When?
spending a day in the
Yeah, man,
countryside.
just leave now let me know what I'm
No, it's naturally. Yeah, man. Gary run about I carry the food basket. There's a man who love him food, you know. Yeah, man. Gary love him food, but yo, no place like yard, man. Trust me. First when you put in a day's work, hard work, you know. Yeah, man. You have to just do the months. You can't let up, you know. No matter what the circumstances may be, always get up and get out there. Yeah, man. Do the right thing, you know. Keep it positive. Here, round the ball boy, have the food bag I carry. Yo! Gary want to eat off all that food, you know. I say you go to work. Yeah, man, you want to do all of the work. You claim to say my tractor, you know. Tractor mash up today. Man, see goat way up a hilltop there. Yo. And if you fall off, you know, man. If you fall off of the road, trust me, you meet it, you know. Yeah, man, you're going way yonder. Kind of trucks, man. What you say, Gary? Next week? Next week, yeah, come back with me. I do the other work before next week, man, but I still go forward can do. You know me already. Always I do my little. Now clean up, man. Yeah, I throw this up them, chop up the big stick them. You see? Yeah, man. My virgin that you see this morning with the horse. Yes, man, I feed him ground this, you know. General I put in the work, as I tell you, nobody in the country has to do, you know. Everybody hard working. If you're not on the farm, with the road, yeah, man, I run a business. Yeah, man, no time to idle, no time to waste. You have to get up, get out there, and get it together for the family and friends. Yeah, man, call. As I tell you, all work and no play make Jack a dull boy. Yeah, man. Come on, yard, bro, God. Wait, stone gone on my boot?
I moved the wall ago.
See, that's it, go, man. Look at that beauty. St. Thomas, the hills of St. Thomas, you know. Trust me, it's an extremely nice place. Look at the farm again, man. We can't pass without show y'all again. Yeah, man. Gary him stop and look in it. I love it just as much. Yeah, and the countryside beautiful. Whew. Tell you, not like if you glide through the air with a parachute. Yeah, man. Nice and easy, you know? Mm. Oh my God. Country, you know? No preservative, no additive. All natural. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I come in from the countryside, you know? Yard. Everyone like a sponge, you're comfortable, boy. Can't feel nothing. Yo, blessings, man. Yeah, man, this is the point where we stop and get water, you know? And even the bees are refreshing. Most naturally. Yo. Gary around go look for him lady. Yo. Yeah, man, you know it's a nice little journey for you to go home. Yeah, man, so. Whew. What a pretty face. Yeah, man. Blessings, man. As I tell you, if you're a country, you know one of them hanging, yeah, you know, I say nothing. Yeah, man. Old lady there rest, you know. Come on, man. We are going yard. No time to linger. You know me ever get caught up a back, you know. Because me ever have to enjoy the countryside a little bit more. Yeah, man. But I just say go. We have to live, man. And we're always up and about. Yeah, man. I do the right thing daily. Yes, man. Big boy, eh? Yeah, man, I tried in. Coming in from the core. Reach home. Yeah, shop. Yeah, man, but I have to run go a farmers meeting, so come with me. Yeah, man, I got a meeting. Just reach in, man. Just reach in. Just take a water boat, dirty, as you can see. Yeah, man. But come on, yard, man. I got a meeting. Like, I'm open about. I'm at the farmers meeting, but I just come from bush dirty, so I can't go inside. Smell funny, you know. Yeah, man, but a yard there, and all I remember is them there. No, I not have video move. We just elaborate tonight, yeah. Yeah, man, just a chat. Yeah, man. So come a yard, man. If you want their meeting, come a yard. Yeah, man. This is yard, really yard life. One love, one heart. Blessings every time. Meeting, you know. Shh, keep it quiet, most naturally. Yeah, man. Stick around, man. A whole lot more coming in. This is just the tip of the iceberg.
When I snap across and I repeat large fire.
What to sing? You couldn't have spray and done.
Alright.
I'm tired.
No problem.
And I'm later.
Okay.
Our Father who art in heaven,
Hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses. We forgive us our trespasses. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, power, and glory, forever and ever. Amen. Then can you do a welcome for you tonight? Can you do a welcome for us tonight?
I'll get a welcome thing again. We didn't even remember. Yo, Jano, we're still tired, man. I see I'm still with me. Yeah, man.
What time have to do that?
Alright,
You're welcome.
blessings one and all. Yeah, man, we're up and about tonight, giving thanks for life as usual. Yeah, man. Thank you all for turning out for the meeting. Yeah, man. Empress. Thank you for turning out. Daddy, blessings, man. Bernal, Stacy, Mommy.
Any apology?
No?
Yeah, I apologize. I still not. Honestly, I didn't want to carry a new member tonight. I never succeed in that, so sorry for you.
No apology, that's who no come.
Yeah.
I apologize for being a little late.
Nobody meet never started.
No, but our plan was to start at
Yeah.
6:30.
Yeah. Yeah, what show there?
Good night.
This one.
I feed DJ.
Oh. Minutes from the last meeting.
Check engineering and also 100 and
The 75 farmers
yeah, squeak so far.
held on the 1st of February 2021. Meeting was called to order at 7:35 by the President, Mr. Bernard Logan. Opening song into My Heart Was Sung. Prayer was prayed by Mr. Amos Bailey. Miss S. Bennett gave the welcome, apology none. Condolences to the family, to the Ames family, the Graham family, and the McFarlane. Minutes was then read. Correction. PRO was not mentioned. First name was not mentioned. The minutes was then confirmed by Miss Stacey and White and seconded by Miss Paula Stewart. Motorized. They went to the
Let's say go on.
we went to the funeral. The wreath was
Yeah.
bought to look good.
Not travel.
Pepper project, Mr. Scott said
Oh.
he sees
How many people on the trip?
So stop and steer you, man. Next year, to finish it for you.
So go back, change the one and get a clear one.
No,
Mr. Walker said we are to get benefit, but he is not at work. The container. Person is not interested again in the container. New business. Person in the area complained about the pipe water. Letter to be written to the different groups about the water, the parish council and the public health inspector. Other business, regulate to clean up the container. Miss White said she needed to do a big Miss White said she needed to do a financial report. We are to do a bake sale for the Easter. Meeting adjourned at 8:33 p.m.
Any correction?
Yes. She did not say them say it's one.
She said baking other one, we should never talk about.
Oh, the one
Yeah.
Of course, we never send
But no, but that one minute.
Yeah.
No, that's in the minute.
Yeah.
No, it's not in here. It's
No.
not in here.
So it's a correction. Different me now. Different. Any other correction, Paula? remember one correction out, I can't.
Remember.
What do you remember? Yes.
Yes. She said to the several group. The letter I go write, but as a several group, I go write the letter. But
No. Group?
water system.
No, the letter going sent to
The different group.
different group, not the different group gonna write letter. Letter gonna send to
The parish council and the public health.
right? And I believe SDC too. You mention? Yes, that's what the letter gonna send out.
The wording, you wouldn't call them group, it's an organization.
Yeah, right.
And
That's
stakeholders. And when she said the group, I think about the group, not the
Oh,
community.
okay.
You know why me think that because you me mention say Pastor Ian's not gonna write well.
Explain that for me again.
The
Please.
bake sale is a tradition.
Mm-hmm.
Normally, for instance, one of we used to do it this one, where the whole community used to come bake.
Yeah, that out of barrier, son.
Right out of our so.
Mm-hmm.
But as I can see it not did it. But the group kind of take it on as a little tradition
Mm-hmm.
where we continue
The
with
baking.
the baking and whatever profit is made go toward the group in terms of bills and so on.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's basically it.
Okay.
So whatever you can contribute towards it,
Yeah.
it's up to you.
So I'm saying where you contribute.
Mm.
So far me I contribute a bag of flour.
Yeah.
So you have flour, you have onion, you have vanilla, also, what name?
Mm-hmm.
The black something name?
In
Molasses?
Molasses.
Yeah.
Me some would contribute, not all the spices.
Mm-hmm.
Some of the spices too. Nutmeg,
no,
roasted session.
yes, then I go and fry the nutmeg.
Me no bacon.
Right?
Me no know
You know,
what me for buy.
say Gary, I'm asking if he can get nutmeg.
And we are going to need
Mention
sugar.
him about something there. Yeah, sugar, dragon. A dragon or Guinness again. I'm trying to
Dragon.
Dragon. So much dragon now it's about half crate.
No. So,
Yeah.
so much?
Yeah.
Doesn't to the half flour?
Or more than that.
I think I'm more than that.
About half crate, man.
I think I'm more than 12.
Mm-hmm.
Then 12 is half crate, you know.
I know. I don't think I'm more than that for the 50 pound of flour. I have something to do.
They have no
recipe.
Recipe where
I did have one recipe. Then there's some about the plate. They're supposed to be up there now. I did put them up in one box and carry them up there.
Yeah, when I go find time, go search up on this.
No, I'm not here to
So-
I'm supposed to.
Whatever
Then come back
donation
on Sunday,
is
Henry.
a person is supposed to donate by when?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I want to
Easter go for what? The 5th
and the 5th?
of April? Something like
Yeah,
that?
yeah.
Getting English then from the first.
Yeah,
So we
so
can move back this time.
So donation is supposed to be before the first.
I April.
This one on the big one.
Okay. Before the 1st of April.
So
Donations.
you are donating a cash and kind, it doesn't matter as long as you donate.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever you can donate. But would I like to know where you are going to donate so we can, if somebody else come and say,
That
oh, we can
donation.
donate, we can say, alright, there's somebody that donate that, so they can choose any one of them other stuff. I stay there, I don't want to donate.
No. Burner, flour, sugar, iron. CSA, molasses, spice.
Red
dragon.
and flour and sugar?
no, it's a flour and sugar iron.
Oh,
Nutmeg, Lena. raising really Benny.
So what else needed after the donation? Is that the first are we not this spot to cover the
Dragon.
The dragon.
Dragon them. And you have the dragon.
And the mixed peel.
where's the one dozen?
The next pin of
One
it.
dozen
Mixed
dragon?
peel always in a
No.
bowl.
So how much should I cover that?
You don't have to put mixed peel in it.
Pale, say you donate the mixed peel.
I said, no, you're not going to
Mixed
go
peel
in.
have to go in it. Then puff.
No man, you can't.
How much you can blend them?
Sort them.
Any bun me buy, I mean mixed peel in it.
You
Apart from little roll
And
man.
everybody wants it in it.
What kind of all you have to put it in? Remember you can't still, remember you can't part the door, you know. Remember you don't have to put the whole of the door. Because remember saying all of the door will get raised neither. No, and now something more something there. You can just part it and remember say it's solid, so you have to put whatever portion you want to put it in. So if Paula want mixed peel, Paula can buy one pound of mixed peel, I'll put it in there.
Still tired from bush work, you know. What's I go? Yo.
Yeah, put mixed peel and some of them.
That's what I mean, man. Buy the mixed peel.
Who win?
Yeah. Yeah, buy the mixed peel. Buy the mixed peel.
If we get no money.
Alright, so Paul, write it down. Paula come with mixed peel. Where say I go to the dragon? So my
Yes, I might.
much? 6?
Yeah.
So you might do 6 dragon. Where you are?
Never do.
No, what you mean?
Yeah, we should.
Do what we need at
What can you tell us?
Yeah, we might go do 6. She what
She
she
said she had the same thing, so she had
Oh,
Yeah.
so you might do 6 and
But that's say what me I go put.
So look here. What do the molasses?
No, but Jay say you count him out, so you have to.
It's a
No,
no,
we never
no.
count for Jay.
Jay.
Me ask him, what am I do? I know me.
No,
I
yeah,
But if I just the dragon leave him put 6. Him
Fine.
put 6.
So you have put
Okay.
6.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
So Jay I put 6 and you have put 6.
Blessings, bro. God,
But
you have to forward a meeting, you know, bro.
Molasses.
I would have thought this would make so much noise at this time, and then you in your chat throughout this.
You think I'm eating coming?
Hmm? Yeah, we think give forward with you, though. Man. Brother, may I rub off this and forward? You don't mind?
Huh?
Alright, brother, may I forward?
I have vagina. 1 year, so.
And he got
This one is Christian.
Hello.
She got a bag.
Come and meet me, we now.
Yeah.
Come and meet me, then leave.
Meet me, a community meeting. Nobody left.
But end up come and meet me.
Alright,
Yeah, this are the meeting.
let's Christian.
So, what you say you're you know, oh, you're so, what you say you're again?
Me and him
Well,
are
that's
sharing
it.
same stuff.
No, man, you can't share man something.
Why?
So you tell me say if you were the body you're willing to share it. But see what I left by this.
Alright, remember, me have to go to shop. Me have customer wait for me.
Some more than going on, we get
We
your
never,
fee,
thing
we
there.
get your donation, I can go on.
We never know how much
Alright.
sugar Alana go to donate still.
That's it.
Oh,
We don't know what
I just feel pain of blessings, eh?
And the molasses.
Yeah,
Why
man,
is the same as the molasses?
done with meat, you know, so. Yeah, man, me run go shop for watching. And if you watch the video this far, yeah, man, me and the chef there. So, type chef in the comment area. Yeah, man, blessings every time.